You spend months looking for a winning product that doesn't fucking exist. Hey, I'm Kasim here, and today in this video, I'm gonna be breaking down the marketing system behind the ecom brands that actually scale. And currently, we're doing 600K a day with one of my ecom stores, and then we have our clients who's doing six figures all throughout every client. And within our clients, all of our clients are doing over six figures a month just with this marketing system I'm gonna break down in this video. Well, let's get into it. So the first belief I want you guys to break is the winning product myth. There's no such thing. I know every guru likes to preach winning products, research tools, untapped products. It's no such fucking thing. It's no such thing as a winning products. Winning products are a fucking lie. All it is system. That's what we're gonna be building. We're just gonna build a system that prints you fucking cash. And it's gonna be the same product, same manufacturer, same traffic, and they're gonna print six figures per month. Because it's the winning product theory that a lot of people run around and sell their lists and they sell bullshit in their courses. It's no such thing. It's a reason why I made a video why Liquid Death can sell a $2 can of water and do 700 million a year. They're a multi-billion-dollar company. So get rid of that bad habit. Because if you guys don't get rid of that bad habit, this is your ad spend. It's just like a fucking slot machine in the casinos. You're just throwing your ad budget in there and pulling and praying and hoping something hits. It's not gonna hit like that. You need to develop real skills for any product to work. Any product is a winner. It's the way you market it. Because this is a cycle of most of you ecom bros. You guys find a winning product, it stopped working, you research, go back to zero, and then you go in the same loop over again and it keeps you fucking broke. I wanna really instill this shit into your brain. It's no such thing as a winning fucking product. It's only winning offers. That's all what matters. In the beginning, to 0 to 100K, is fucking winning offers is the thing that's gonna get you to 100K a month. Now, deeper down in the funnel, it's different things. But until you have 100K liquid in your bank account, you shouldn't be worrying about a product. Any product can make six figures a month. So we're gonna be going over the same collagen product, the same manufacturer, and the same formula. The only thing that's gonna be different with these three same product, different type of brands is their offer. Now we have brand A. They make 12,600 a month. Brand A, this is their offer. Premium collagen powder. Not that enticing. It doesn't incentivize the customer. Now we have brand B. Restore your glow 90-day money back guarantee. This right here is a good ass offer. They make 43,680 a month. Now we have brand C. They make 200K a month. This is the offer, the 90-day glow protocol. Then they have a $49 bundle plus a subscription model. Their conversion rate is 4.1%. This offer right here kills all of these other brands offer. But guess what? It's the same product, same manufacturer, and the same formula. Nothing fucking changed but your offer. Your offer determines if you're going to scale to 100K a month. So guess what? Any fucking retard can simply copy a product in a week, get your same supplier, same creative, rip your creative off of data, and undercut your price, cut your prices in fucking half. But here's what they can't do. They cannot create your same offer and scale at a profitable scale like you. Because when you have a dialed in backend system, that you have rebills, you have fucking upsells to death. When you dial in your cost of goods, everything in your backend needs to be locked in. When you have a locked in backend, bro, you can outscale everybody on the market because they only see the front end, but they don't see your backend where you make all of your money at. The only thing your sneaky ass copy and cat competitors see is your fucking product page. That's all they see. That's it. They're trying to figure out in their mind, how can you scale your product and still be profitable and still feed your family and still go on trips and live a nice life. And let me just tell you, it's not your fault, bro. It's not your fault that you believe every guru, every YouTube video, everybody pushing this product, your product, your product, your product. You go on TikTok, brain rot, brain rot. All you hear is, bro, product, product, product. It's not your product. A lot of these people don't know how to fucking market, and all they do is run black hat MRR on their brands. And yes, it does make you money, but you really need to dial in marketing. Direct response marketing is going to take an average person to above average, and it can scale anywhere, any niche with the foundations of your skill set. Number 4, this is how you build a fucking good offer. First thing, you need specific outcome, you need time frame, and you need certainty. Nobody gives a fuck about what the product is. Nobody. They want the results, and what do they fucking get? Listen to me. They want the certainty, and the time frame, and the outcome. When you have all of these locked in, bro, it's easily to outscale any competitor on the market. For example, we have high quality collagen peptides. Like we said, outcome, time frame, guaranteed. Once you go through this loop, because this is a customer journey. With your offer, if you have a good ass offer, you're gonna have outcome, time frame, and guaranteed. Once they go from this loop, they're gonna go to the outcome. Visibly younger skin in 90 days. This is all they care about. So stop fixating on everything else and worry about the fucking outcome. And I have more examples for you. We have CDB oil 1,000 milligrams. Fall asleep in 15 minutes every night, guaranteed. What is this? Outcome, time frame, guaranteed. We have fall asleep in 15 minutes. This is the outcome. This is the time frame. This is the guaranteed. Another one, we have organic superfood blend. We have outcome, all day energy. Then we have time frame. Then we have the guarantee. Now we have vitamin D3, 5,000 IU. Well, we have outcome, we have time frame, and we have the guarantee starting this week. Hope you guys truly understand that. Now, this is what I want you guys to do. Read your own product page, and if it describes the object and not the fucking outcome, you need to go back and change it and do these things right here. Outcome, time frame, and guarantee. Go back and do it. Pause the video, come back, and I'll see you there. Now, fifth thing, this is another way how you can value stack your offer. Now, when you have a value stack offer, it should perceive value. Now, when you have a value stack offer, the perceived value should be 5 to 10x the price. Basically, you want to value stack the hell out of any potential customer, potential lead, anybody. And another thing, when you have a crazy ass stack that you're offering so much value, make sure your economics make sense. Make sure it costs the least labor, the least amount of money to produce these items. So basically you're not fucking going broke or just, going down the drain. And right here is what I call perspective marketing. They think, oh my God, it's so valuable. But in reality, it is valuable, but you didn't spend a lot of time, or you spent a lot of time, but you didn't spend a lot of money inside said product. Basically, I'm telling you, stack that shit until it feels stupid. If your offer doesn't feel like a fucking crazy offer, like nobody should reject the product or anything you're selling because the offer sounds and make them feel very good. Next, we have 6. We have risk reserve. So basically, the stronger the guarantee, the higher the conversion. So let me just break the real shit to you. The stronger your guarantees is, I'm gonna be honest with you, you're gonna have more refunds. Because let's be honest, most of you guys are bullshitting. You guys sell this bullshit ass offer and you already know it's not what it's supposed to be. But the good thing is you have 30 to 80% more conversions than, not having conversions at all. So the net is always positive. Now we have the few offer stages we're gonna walk through. We have 30-day money back guarantee. We love that. We have 90-day money back guarantee. You're gonna be up 30 to 50%. Then you have outcome based. Like we said, your offer should have an outcome base and a guarantee at the end. And then we have better than money back guarantee. You're gonna be up 80 to 100%, 120%. But your refunds, you're gonna be refunding, or you're gonna be getting charged back. Most likely refunding if you're a good business owner. So basically, you're protecting yourself from a 3% refund bump by giving up half of your conversions. And I want you guys to read that again. So that's the risk, man. 7th thing, we have the pricing architecture. So now I know this sounds like a beginner, mistake, but most of you guys don't bundle up your products. You guys sell a lot of single things, and you're leaving money left on the table. So I just want to break down what bundles will bring with your AOV and how we can basically fix your store from being a shitty low AOV store to a high AOV store with free bills, with upsells, and with bundles. Now, these are the stages. We have bundle the 3 packs, the good old 3-pack bundle. 40 to 70% AOV, not bad. Next, we have good, better, and best, the tiers. I know you guys probably see a lot of that on a lot of stores. 25 to 50%, not bad AOV. Now, we have protocol. We have bundles plus the bonuses. This is a good ass offer to offer to the market. 60 to 120% AOV. Golden. Now, we have the subscribe and save. Now, this is a MOR type play. A lot of people run this, but a lot of white hat brands run this. A lot of black hat brands just run auto rebuild. So these are all good offers in the market. I think the best offers is whatever that works with your data and your market research within your brand. Now we're on number 8. We're going to be finding the streaming market. We're going to be finding where is our target audience for our product. Now, an engineer offer only works when desires are already there. You cannot invent desires or demands. You have to find it through deep market research and on Reddit, on Twitter, on Reddit is a good place, on Amazon reviews. In another video, I'm gonna break down how to actually do good ass market research. And we're just gonna be showcasing Amazon, 1 to 3, Amazon reviews. We have Reddit. Reddit is a crazy place for desperation. Now we have trending products, TikTok, CNN, YouTube. Then we have bad offers plus high sales. This is a good one because if you see a store, you track their traffic to the store, you can and base it off their products and how much products they're selling. You can do an estimate. You can never really know how much someone's making, plus their back-end system, so you would never really know. But if they have a shitty ass offer but high sales, you can change it to a good ass offer and print yourself. Basically, just saying like the offer is going to change your life. And now another thing, we have Facebook groups. This is a golden gem. A lot of people actually don't pay attention to Facebook groups because a lot of their gurus sell them Reddit, Amazon, trending, TikTok, but Facebook groups is very good to find competition gaps. Now, I'm not just going to sit here and yap. I'm going to show you how to score them. So first, we have a desire intensity. Second, we have willingness to pay. Third, we have recurring need. And fourth, we have competition gap, meaning where is the competition lacking at? Now, if these all get scored on a 30 or plus or higher, make an offer for that market. Develop a good ass offer from the shit I just taught you up there. And there's a bunch of offers. Make sure the economics of your offer make fucking sense. But this right here, genuinely, if you score your offer based off this, desire intensity, willingness to pay, recurring need, and competition gap, you're gonna be golden in the market. Now, number 9, I have fucking homework for you guys. I know you guys hate homework. I know a lot of you guys hated school, but this is genuinely going to change your life, and this is to make a lot of money, and this is going to be better than any lesson school ever taught you. Now, I'm going to have you guys fill this in. You guys can do it if you want to, but we have core promises. We're going to be developing all your offers so you can walk away from this video with true value and to know what to do and look for in the future. We have core promises. We have value stack. We have risk reserval, we have pricing, we have projected AOV. If you guys take your ecom brand and fill in offers based off of this and score them plus 30, you guys can engineer an offer that generally scales in a market looking for your product. So I want you guys to take away from this. Stop searching for winners. Winners are built. You have to build the winners. Winners in the beginning stages, everything is just your offer. If you have a good ass offer, you're going to scale. Now, when you get to 100K a month, it's deeper and it's different levels to this shit. But in the beginning, it's just your offer and it's just the value you put to it and the testing creatives and find out one winner with a good ass offer, you're going to scale. Now, if you filled in that offer sheet above and you still cannot figure out what's bleeding inside your brand, I offer a free scaling audit on my Instagram. Just send me and DM me the word scale, and I will look at your brand and I'll break it down and send it to you. Now, before we wrap up this video, this is my end thought. I want you to stop searching for fucking winners because they don't exist. Winners are simply built and the product is the commodity, and you have to build systems for your brand. You have to really sit down and do market research and build systems. And my only ask to you guys is like the video so another brand owner can stop wasting their time on product research and just get to fucking scaling. And thank you for watching for real. And last thing, build more fucking systems.